everybody, how are you doing? Welcome back to all my joyfuls. And to everyone that's new here, hi, my name is Joy. Welcome to my channel, Joyful and Triumphant. And I'm here to review my icon box from IPSY. So if you want to see what I got in my icon box, stay tuned and I'll see you in a few minutes. Bye. Glad you stuck around. If you're new here, my name is Joy. Welcome to my channel, Joyful and Triumphant. And today I'm going to be reviewing the quarterly icon box from IPSY. So if you don't know what the icon box is, the icon box is a quarterly subscription that will replace your monthly glam bag on a quarterly basis, depending on when you signed up for it. So I get mine in May, August, and November. And with the icon box, you get 8 full-size products. You pick 3, and then IPSY does 2 power picks for you or something like that. Your total box is well valued over $300 easily. And we only pay, I think it's 35 or 40 bucks for this box, but you're definitely getting your money's worth with the icon box. And it has a different curator, and the curator for this month's icon box is none other than Vanessa Hudgens. And I also got some add-ons this month too, but I am so excited about this box. So let's get into it. I got so much stuff in my box. My box was all beat up when I got it. But anyway, let's get into it, shall we? All right. Let's see. The first thing that we have is a moisturizer from Volition. This retails for, I believe, $55 or $65. This hydrates the skin. It leaves it plump. It leaves it juicy. I've heard nothing but wonderful things about this brand, and I'm really into skincare, you know, with my mature skin. Okay, so I heard a lot of good things about this brand and about this moisturizer, and Miss Vanessa picked this herself. She said she loves it. So I'm really, really excited to try this out because I just ran out of moisturizer. And yeah, so I need something to use right now. So yeah, this is wonderful. Let's see. The next thing that I got is and that was my pick. So I had to pick something for the month, and I picked that moisturizer. I believe that was my pick. And then I also got from Clark's Botanical the 7-Acid Daily Glow Peel. So it has AHA, BHA, PHA, hyaluronic acid, and it's an exfoliating peel. With all those good goodies in there, I can't wait to use this either. This sounds like a very, very good product. It had good reviews. So again, I'm really, really excited to try this product, and I believe this one retails for, I think, $45. The next item that I got is the Alloy Cheek Duo Palette from Natasha Denona. I love her products. So isn't that gorgeous packaging? So it's a bronzer and a blush palette, highlight palette. Gorgeous. I'm just gonna swatch a little bit on my hand. And that's how it looks. Ooh, yeah. that just blends like right into my skin. So I'm definitely gonna enjoy playing with that. This palette would go good for, I don't know why they call this trend the latte makeup. I call it naturals and neutrals. I've been doing it for years, but this is gonna work real good with that look. Love Natasha Denona's products. The next item that I got is MAC lip pencil in the color Spice. If you know, you know. All the girlies, we had this back in the day in high school. If your mama let you get some MAC, you know, you were the it girl. You were popular. Unfortunately, mine didn't let me get it. I had to get some Wet n Wild. But when I got to college, yes ma'am. If you know, you know. Spice is gorgeous. Works good with any natural lip combo. That's how it looks. And that is it swatched right there. It would have went real good with this lip combo that I got on right now. But yeah, Spice. And this retails for $22. Next up is I got some NARS Air Matte lip color in the color Dragon Girl. It's a beautiful red. You know I'm always get a red because I am the reds. For y'all who don't know what it means, I'm a Delta. But this is the lipstick. It's a bright red. And that's how it looks. Do a little swatchy swatch. Gorgeous. It comes out a little bit darker, but that is gorgeous. I can't wait to wear it. And this lipstick retails for, I believe it's $35. The next item that I got is the Huda Beauty Legit Lashes. It gives you major volume, curl, and insane length. I can't wait to try this out. I've seen many demos of this mascara, and it definitely lives up to the hype. So I can't wait to try this out. And this retails for $45 too as well. The next item that I got is from MAKIAGE, and it is their Color Boss Master Palette. It's a 8 story color palette for your eyes. And again, this one too will go good with the new latte makeup trend. Look at that. I love the packaging. Gorgeous. This is the palette. And again, that'll go wonderful with the new latte makeup trend. Let's see, let's swatch something. We'll swatch this dark chocolate color. And then the little bronzy, gorgeous. And that'll go good again with that Natasha Denona palette. These palettes complement each other. I think that's why I picked them. Okay, and then the last item that I got, that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, the last item that I got, if you know, you know, the Fenty Fat Water Toner Serum, 2-in-1. This stuff is amazing. It hydrates, it plumps your skin, it tones your skin, firms your skin. It was a no-brainer to pick this. When I saw it was one of the choices, yeah, I picked it up. So those are my 8 deluxe size items that I got. So again, what I got was well over $300. So you're definitely getting your money's worth. I did get some add-ons too for this month. So from the Dew of the Gods, I picked their Ultra Tonic. It's a watermelon extract toner. And also from the Dew of the Gods, I picked up their Hydra Blend. And it's like a moisturizer. So I picked that. And then from Glow Recipe, I picked the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. If you know, you know. Plump, plump, juicy, juicy. And then also from Glow Recipe, I got the Plump Plump. Yeah, the Plump Plump Hyaluronic Cream. If you know, you know. It's gonna hydrate you, plump you up, have you looking fresh and just dewy and glowy. Everything in this box, I'm just really, really happy about. I'm pleased with. I love my icon box. What did you get in your icon box if you got it this month? What did you get in your variation? What did you pick? Did you pick some of the same items that I picked? Did you pick different things? Leave me a comment below and let me know. Hit that bell and subscribe and hit that thumbs up and that like button. Once again, my name is Joy. Thank you for taking time to watch my video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found it informative. And if you like this video, then take some time to explore my channel. I have a wide variety of content. I also do reviews on the glam bags that we get monthly, and I posted my video for that, so you can check that one out. If you're a member of Delta Sigma Theta Sorority Incorporated, all my sorors, check out my Delta Box reviews. I'm going to give you my honest opinion on the Delta Box. Okay. And then if you're looking for some inspirational, encouragement, motivational content, please check out my playlist called Joyful Jubilations, where I give daily prayer and scriptures just to help you and encourage you with your walk in Christ. I'm a licensed evangelist, and I take my calling into the ministry very seriously, and I just want to inspire everyone with my testimony and my stories. I also have some health related content. I am a diabetic and I'm a cardiac patient, so I have content related to that, specifically Manjaro, and I had a heart attack last year, and I have some content about how I survived my heart attack and what cardiac rehab is like. So that content is coming, and yeah. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you're new here, welcome. And to all my joyfuls, hey y'all, hey, I'm so glad to be back. I know I've been MIA for a little bit. Life has been lifing. Yeah, I gotta have some surgery here coming up soon, so I'm just going through a lot of different testing to make sure, you know, the doctors, you know, get everything squared away before I go in for my surgery. But I'm believing and I'm trusting in God, because I know he's going to bring me through everything that I'm going through right now. And I'm just going to have an awesome testimony and make the devil look like the fool that he is. But yeah, once again, I'm Joy. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in my next video. Have a great and safe Labor Day weekend, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.